Hey everyone, SAT practice test 1, question 17 is about interpretation. Let's get started on this. A neighborhood consists of 2-hectare park and a 35-hectare residential area. So simply you do have a park plus you do have residential area. The total number of trees in the neighborhood is 3,934. So we're talking about the number of trees. So a number of trees is 3,934. You are supposed to take notes on your sketch paper if you would like to understand the word problems. It's important. Use your sketch paper. The equation is given for 2x plus 35y. This is for what? It's very important. Represents this situation. So what is this situation is total number of trees. So this equation is about the total number of trees because it says that this situation it refers to previous explanation. So it means it's about number of trees versus the number of area. 2-hectare park and 35-hectare residential area. So question is which of the following is the best interpretation to estimate of x in this context? All right. So let's start to work on the question. First of all, you can understand that if you have an equation, the x and y very close, they're the link to 2 here and link to 35 here. So they are working together. First of all, you see the 2-hectare park. 2-hectare park and this x, like they are very connected to each other for a reason. So it is 2 here and x very connected this 2 because 2x comes from here. All right, and as you see 35-hectare residential area, and then in the equation I see y here, and I can say 35 and y working together, it just make it 35y. The total number of trees in the neighborhood, 3,934. So as you see in the equation, this is number of trees. So how to find number of trees in the equation? Whatever I see, it says 2, it is 2 hectares, the area. 35 is another hectare. So how you are going to find number of trees for in total with using the park and residential area? So I am just thinking logically. So if I know how many trees are there in the park area and residential area, I can find the total number of trees. It is simple logic. It's asking to me, which of the following is the best interpretation of x in this context? So 2 and x together, 2-hectare park area and x. What x might be? So we talk about x might be number of trees and y might be number of trees for the residential area. So it's asking to me x is about the park. This is important. So let's check the answer choices. So the first one it says the average number of trees per hectare in the park. It is possible answer. Okay, the average number of trees per hectare in the residential area. X is not about residential area. B is impossible answer. The total number of trees in the park. It might be. So I will check that one. The D is total number of trees in the residential area. No, it's not about the residential. It should be about the park. So this also impossible answer. Now let's go and check. So and it says best interpretation. It's asking to me, and then let's check the answer choices. The average number of trees per hectare in the park, the total number of trees in the park. So they are very close. The total number of trees do I need, or I need the average number of trees and per hectare here. So here, as you see, it's very tricky. Most of the students, they're going to be confused between A and C here. So the equation is 2x. 2 here, as you see, 2-hectare park. So and then you are multiplying with x. So if you are multiplying with x, it cannot be total number of trees in the park, because if you know the total number of trees in the park, you don't need to like identify the area with 2-3 hectares. So that's why total number of trees is not possible. So you are supposed to go to by per hectare. So C also impossible answer. Correct answer for this question is A. Average number of trees per hectare in the park, because it's multiplying by 2, like 2 hectares. You are gonna give you per hectare, and then you are to multiply by 2 to find the total number of trees in the park, and then your basically correct answer is A for this question. Thank you.